Hello everyone, this is Nitul Arafat from Programmers Club. In this video, we will discuss about set, frozen set and tuples. Set is an unordered collection of unique elements that is also iterable, mutable and has no duplicate elements. Generally, Python set used for mathematical notation. So, I am going to initialize my first set. I say create set. So let's say I have a basket of fruits and I want to represent that using set in Python. So we should use curly bracket and then you should add all your element in this set. And so I have a bunch of fruit, that is apple, and say orange and mango. Now I am going to print the type of this basket and say type basket and then run it. We get this basket data type is set. Now we are going to print the basket element and we get all element. Let's say check if in set. If you want to check if element is in a set, and now I'm going to print and say apple in basket. Now I'm going to run and I get true. If I say apples and run it once again, then we get false. Let's say comment that. Now I'm going to add an element in the set. Say add to set. I type my basket name. We use add method and say grapes and run it once again. We can see new element add in our set. Now we are going to repeat some element and print once again. We get same output because of set not allow duplicate element. If you want to create a unique list, then you use set function on list and I print this unique number, then I get a unique list. We can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 1 repeated 2 times and 3 repeated 2 times, but here we can see that is unique. If you want to remove an element from list, then I say basket dot remove, say grape and print this basket, run it. We can see grapes already removed from our set. Now we are going to clear our set. Basket dot clear and run it. We can see our set is empty. If you want to complete delete, we use del keyword and say basket. Now I run it and we get an error because now this basket is undefined. Now we discuss about frozen set. Often there are needs where you want your set to be frozen. Frozen meaning you should not be able to change the element of your set. In that case, you have to use frozen set. So I create a basket and I say fs is equal frozen set and basket. Now we are going to print the fs and run it. Now we get our frozen set element. We are going to try add element in our frozen set. Dot add, I say grape and run it once again. We can see an attribute error. Frozen set does not allow add a new element, and also we cannot modify frozen set. Now we are discuss about tuple. A tuple is a collection of objects separated by commas, which ordered and immutable. That means it cannot be changed in any way once it has been created. Unlike set, tuples are ordered collection. Let's create a simple tuple. I say basket and for tuple we use parentheses. And here we add our element as like apple, orange and mango. Now I'm going to print the type of this basket and run it. This basket type is tuple. Now I'm going to print the basket value. We get all element. We can create tuple another way using constructor. Say using constructor, I say basket2 and say tuple. Now we check the type basket2. Run it. We can see that is tuple data type. If you want to add element in here, then you should use another parenthesis, and here you should add element. I say apple comma mango and run it. We get two element. We get single value from tuple. I say get single value, print, I say basket and index of 0. Run it. We get apple. We cannot change tuple value. I say cannot change and say basket 0 is equal to break and run it. We can see a type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Because of this is an ordered. But if you have a list in your tuple, then you can change your list value. I say 9, 10. That was my basket 2. If I say 0, 1, 2 this and 0 index is 9. I say 2 and here say 0 and run it once again. Then we get 9. If I assign 12 here and print basket 2, then we get updated value. Get this tuple has a single value. Then I check the type of this basket and see it's become a string data type, because tuple with one value should have a trailing comma. Give a comma here and let's check once again and we get tuple data type. If you want to delete tuple and say del keyword and tuple name basket and say run it, and this tuple is completely deleted. That's why we get an error basket is not defined. So for today, see you soon. Okay, bye.